Hey guys, this is Tushar from Gossipfunda, and in this video we are going to see how to change resolution of your monitor. So let's start. Your first step should be to right click on home screen and select display settings. Once it opens, click display resolution. Click on resolution and select the display resolution which suit you most. Note that you should select recommended resolution as it provides you with best picture quality. But let's say you don't know the native resolution of your display, then you should select the highest resolution possible. Now if you want to keep the new setting, then click keep changes, otherwise click on revert. And if you don't do anything, then it will revert back to old settings in 15 seconds. And in case you have multiple displays, then click on advanced display settings and select your target display. Now keep in mind that these settings are for Windows 10 and for Windows 8.1, 8 and 7 they are different. Now if you don't have Windows 8.1, 8 or 7, then you should skip this part. So as we've seen, the process is similar. To check resolution on iOS and Android, open Play Store and download CPU-Z. This was today's guys. Put any of your query in the comment section below and do like, share and subscribe our channel. For any more information, do check out our page. All links given in the description.